Section 2. Designing an app with RxSwift. In this section, we're going to take a look at introducing RxSwift, then going around the storyboard in Xcode. Then we're going to go ahead and run our app in both a simulator and a physical device. We're then going to learn about how we would go about designing under auto layout. Then we'll look at how we use the navigation controller to handle navigation in our app. Then we'll look at displaying data through a table view. Introducing RxSwift. In this video, we're going to take a look at introducing the RxSwift library and also basic concepts associated with RxSwift. So RxSwift allows you to program reactively within iOS, and then it goes on to integrate with RxCocoa, a different library that we have also installed, to then work with the Cocoa UI elements found within iOS. So in this video, I just wanted to go through a very short example which links both RxSwift and RxCocoa together to create a basic Rx application. And this example is going to be very similar to the search we're going to have in our movie app. If you have a look at the top right code snippet, what that's effectively doing is it's saying, so whenever the user does anything to search bar, whenever something happens in the search bar, go ahead and react to that and make this API call to GitHub to go and search for repositories. And the most important line in that code snippet, in my opinion, is the bottom where it says observe on. RxSwift observes things and then reacts to it. And if you have a look at the bottom right code snippet, that reacts to then also the changes in these search results. Because if the search results have been changed, then that means the API call must have been made. So that means we're okay to react and then display that data in the table view. And to be frank, you won't understand any of the code snippets themselves. I'm just trying to go through what actually does what. But hopefully the aim by the end of this course is that you will understand these two code snippets, because that's effectively what's going to be the core of our movie search.